to this website and log in with your registered teacher account. I guess we already covered how to register as a teacher. So you go and log in with your username, password, and okay, now to create a new test you have to go to my classroom and go to class test, and if you are a teacher you will see this create new test and add test problem. So first you have to create a new test. Create new test, give a test name. I guess I will say sample test, and it will automatically fill who you are, who created this test. You can choose your subjects, suppose chemistry, and suppose some ICSE board or CBSE board, and guess 9th. You can choose a test start time and end time, and based on the start time and end time only that test will become live, and it will automatically end the time you choose here. So I guess you can add a 5 minutes buffer into whatever time you want test to end, so people can submit the submissions. So yeah, so you are here, you can choose your start time. Suppose today's 12th, I guess I will choose, let's say, 16th of August, and my test start at probably I will say 2 p.m. and I guess I will say that my test will end at 3 p.m. and I guess just add whatever buffer you want to, or you can have a 50 minutes test and add 5 minutes buffer to submit the submissions by students. So I choose this, and then I create a test, the sample test, and this will be live at the exact time which you choose here, and it will end at that time, and after that no submissions will be accepted. You just create a test, right? Yes, so as you see, this test should be present. I guess it's taken some time to load up, some network issue. Anyway, so let's wait. So yeah, I guess we create, you can also see the created test somewhere here. My network is not that great at this point. So yeah, we created it for chemistry, I guess. Yeah, until that test is not live we can't see it here. Anyway, so you can go ahead and once the timing will come, only live test shows here, not otherwise, or expired test also shows here. So yeah, you can go ahead basically and add a test problem now, and you can click add test problem. One of the most important thing to do is first you have to choose a test name here. So either you can make it none. Once you generally none means there is no, it's not part of a test, it's general problem which is taken as part of challenge problems. So if you are trying to make this problem as a part of test, you can go ahead and select whatever test you created, and again you just have to choose whatever board for that test was again, and then 8th, I guess it was 8th or 9th I created you, and the subject was chemistry. And so you create your new problem, and you can add actually multiple problems to a test, or generally what I say is, like, since it's a test you can copy paste your whole test content here. So first you can write a problem title. You can say real number. Since it's a test I will say test, sample test, and you can write here all the test paper content. So this is expandable, you can write like as big test paper you want here. there is something called answer. You can, so if it's a test, you can ignore it. You can just say anything, just none and none. But in case if it's a problem, you can enter like what is the actual answer for this problem. So on user submission, it's getting compared. And you can also add a format like x equals to 1 comma x equals to 2, so users will enter in that format. So anyway, for tests you can just do none and none, and then you can add maximum points for this problem. So for this problem, if you are taking tests, how many marks this test is, or if it's just a problem, then how many marks points you want to allocate to this problem. I guess I will take a test of 50 points, right? I choose my subjects and test name and all, and I just submitted this problem. So this test will be live at the time you choose, right? And that problem is added as part of that test. Okay. Yes, so I guess I will also add a feature to basically for teachers to display this test even when it's not live. So I think that I can do. Okay, I think, yeah, that is how to create a test, right? Yeah.